Saving can often feel out of reach, yet Chime transforms this daunting task into a seamless experience. Imagine starting each month knowing that, regardless of life's ups and downs, you have a smart system in place that ensures your savings grow steadily. The innovative features offered by Chime mean that with minimal effort on your part, you'll find your financial confidence boosted as automated savings contribute to your stability and future endeavors. This new mindset shifts away from struggling to save manually and embraces a more fluid, effortless approach instead. Chime's approach to saving is revolutionary. It redefines how we perceive our finances. Imagine never feeling the pinch of saving because each transaction you make contributes effortlessly to your wealth. As you pay for everyday items, you're not just spending, you're also saving, often without even realizing it. This transformation is crucial, especially in a world filled with unexpected expenses and economic pressures. Chime allows you to enjoy life while simultaneously laying the groundwork for a more secure financial future. It's about aligning your spending habits with your saving goals, making financial management feel natural and achievable. With Chime's Roundup Savings feature, each purchase becomes an opportunity for growth. When you buy that afternoon coffee or fill up your gas tank, a small amount is automatically set aside for your future. Picture the joy of knowing that those little purchases can turn into significant savings over time. As you scroll through your daily expenses, the gentle reminder that some of that money is working for you does wonders for your financial peace of mind. No more guilt over spending. Instead, every dollar spent becomes a stepping stone toward achieving your savings goals. Saving money can often feel like an uphill battle, but Chime's auto transfer feature changes the game completely. Imagine receiving your paycheck, and before you even have the chance to think about spending, a predetermined amount is whisked away into your savings account. This method, known as paying yourself first, creates a powerful habit of saving that billionaires swear by. It is a set-it-and-forget-it solution that alleviates the mental burden of deciding when and how much to save. This not only builds your savings without additional effort, but also encourages a mindset shift where saving becomes less of a chore and more a natural aspect of your financial routine. Imagine waking up each day only to the responsibilities of life, but also to the comfort of knowing that your financial future is slowly becoming more secure. With Chime, each day's routine becomes part of a bigger plan, seamlessly integrating saving into your lifestyle. As you spend, you're quietly collecting a nest egg, whether you're treating yourself to a meal or fueling your car. This consistent, gentle push towards saving allows you to feel that your hard-earned money is working towards a greater purpose, fostering a sense of accomplishment with every dollar spent. You begin to view each transaction not just as an expense, but as a strategic move towards your financial goals. It becomes an empowering experience. As you navigate through daily challenges and expenses, the ability to automatically save without stress transforms your financial landscape. Consider this: every swipe of your debit card not only funds your immediate needs, but also quietly fortifies your future. This is the beauty of Chime's automatic features. They work tirelessly in the background, ensuring that every small, seemingly insignificant purchase contributes to your overall wealth. You might think of it as a teamwork strategy between you and your finances. Your spending habits play a crucial role in building a brighter financial tomorrow. Imagine going about your day, indulging in the little luxuries that bring you joy, all while building savings effortlessly. The gratification is palpable when that first notification pops up, indicating that your Roundup investment has just increased your savings, getting you closer to your goals. In a world where saving feels overwhelming, Chime offers a refreshing solution that cultivates financial empowerment. By integrating effortless automation into everyday spending, individuals are granted the gift of peace of mind. As the accumulation of savings continues unnoticed, a new perspective emerges, one where each dollar spent is a proactive step towards financial stability. Imagine reaching your financial milestones not through rigid discipline, but through a system that aligns with your lifestyle, making saving a seamless part of your everyday journey. Chime's approach transcends traditional banking, embodying a system that promotes financial well-being effortlessly. Users find themselves empowered, no longer burdened by the weight of manual savings resistance. Instead, they embrace a more intuitive method of accumulating wealth. Every transaction yields a hidden deposit into their savings, transforming the mundane act of spending into a progressive financial strategy. Imagine having the freedom to enjoy life, grabbing a quick bite, picking up a new gadget knowing you're simultaneously investing in your future. This synergy between everyday purchases and wealth building fosters a healthier relationship with money and encourages individuals to engage more freely with their finances. The actualization of financial aspirations through Chime becomes not just a possibility, but a reality, provoking a profound shift in how individuals envision their fiscal futures. With these automated features, Chime is not merely a bank, but a financial partner committed to making saving an integral part of daily life. This holistic approach allows users to break free from the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, transitioning them into a mindset of abundance and opportunity. The exhilaration of watching savings grow effortlessly can rekindle optimism even in the most financially strained situations, leading to healthier spending habits and financial literacy. Ultimately, as users realize that automation harmonizes with their lives, they're inspired to dream bigger. Their aspirations are no longer confined to what seems immediately feasible. This new perspective develops into a more confident approach to tackling financial goals, illustrating that saving doesn't have to be an arduous journey, but a rewarding lifestyle choice. Chime creates a genuine sense of partnership, managing finances effectively, resonating deeply with those who yearn for a more accessible method to secure their future and build wealth. Thus, as Chime continues to prevail in the realm of high-yield savings, it presents itself as the go-to solution for anyone willing to embrace a smarter, less stressful way to save toward their dreams. The beauty of Chime's system lies in its ability to empower users to save without cumbersome barriers or the fear of hidden fees. With every transaction, there's reassurance knowing that a portion is dedicated to future goals, fostering a positive relationship with saving. Users embrace this innovative approach, discovering that even the smallest purchases can yield impactful savings over time. As confidence builds, individuals actively engage with their finances, feeling a sense of ownership over their financial journeys. Rather than viewing savings as a daunting task, Chime reframes it into a transformational experience, where achieving aspirations feels attainable. With Chime, the narrative shifts from struggling to save towards celebrating progress, enabling a community of daily savers to thrive together. As you start to embrace this automated saving mindset, you'll notice how effortless it becomes to pursue your financial dreams. Imagine looking back at your savings account after several months and seeing not just accumulated savings, but a changed approach to your spending habits. With Chime's automatic features working silently, you're creating a safety net for future adventures and unexpected expenses without feeling the financial strain. You'll find that saving isn't a burden or an obligation. It's a natural extension of your lifestyle. Each time you purchase something, whether it's everyday goods or treats, that same purchase morphs into a building block for your financial independence. Your savings journey becomes not just about the numbers, but also about fostering a sense of security and hope for what lies ahead. Chime also ensures that you're not fraught with unexpected fees that traditional banks often impose. There are no monthly charges to eat away at your savings. Each interaction you have with your finances is geared towards building your future, not hindering it. With Chime, you're taking a definitive step towards reclaiming your financial future. Embrace the power of automation and watch your savings grow steadily, transforming the way you approach your finances. It's not just about saving. It's about building a life full of possibilities, effortlessly. If this video gave you value, please share it with a friend. Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps the channel grow and reach more people who need this information.